Hi, and welcome to Hook Eat Up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel just yet, you can subscribe by clicking this here, or clicking the subscription button down below. Today's dish is dedicated to all you moms and dads out there who want to cook something cool for your kids, and something that's super easy. We all know that kids only like to eat a few things: chicken, cheese, pepperonis, and bread. And this dish incorporates most of those things. So today we're making pizza. And to make this pizza, you're going to need just about 5 simple ingredients. You're going to need a cup of mozzarella cheese shredded, half a cup of your favorite pasta sauce, about 1/3 of a cup of sliced pepperonis, 1 loaf of Italian bread, and some softened butter. To get started, what we're going to do is we're going to slice this Italian bread on a diagonal so we get nice long pieces. So now that I have my bread cut into long pieces that are about 1/2 inch thick, it's time to assemble. First, I'm going to take some of the softened butter, and I'm going to spread that across the bottom side of the bread. Now that the butter's on, flipping it. And I'm going to dollop on pasta sauce. About 2 tablespoons per slice. Next, the cheese. And just sprinkle that on. You put as much or as little as you'd like, as long as you get it covered up. Next is the pepperonis. I'm going to be adding 3 or so per slice. Now that the pizza is assembled, I already have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. And I'm going to take these slices and put them directly on the lowest grate of the oven. Now that 10 minutes have passed, pizza's done. Set them down on my plate. Right here. Bottom's nicely toasted. Pizza is done. And there you have it. Easy homemade pizza. It takes about 15 minutes to get it done, and you can get your kids involved in it as well. Thank you for joining me at Hook Eat Up. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments below. Take care.